Today we're making Aura's Easy Bean Green Pancakes. Just like all of our products, this recipe is gluten-free, dairy-free, soy-free, and egg-free. And you're gonna get 3 servings of greens with every scoop. Let's get started. Now, another added benefit of our greens is also organic adaptogens. Adaptogens help your body fight stress relief, fatigue reduction, as well as help with mood regulation. Let's mix this together, making sure all the clumps are out of it, and then we can move on to our wet ingredients. Now we're going to combine the wet and dry ingredients. We want to make sure it's nice and thick and not too runny. So we're actually going to let that sit. It's a great time to turn on your stove. We're going to turn it on to medium-high heat. While we wait for that to heat up, we're going to make our strawberry maple syrup. Let that blend for 5 to 10 seconds and set aside in the refrigerator until ready to serve. Now let's get to the fun part. Let's cook our pancakes. We're going to use a small ice cream scoop here to make silver dollar pancakes.